Good afternoon, Clay Thompson here at Bish's RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to show you a 2023 ATC all aluminum toy hauler. This is a 2023 PLA 700 and it is the 3619 floor plan. Come on inside, let me show you some interior stuff. And it's going to weigh under 12,000 pounds empty weight with about 3,600 pounds of cargo capacity and large water capacity, large fuel capacity. So the capacities are huge on this model. Come on inside. This is going to sleep a bunch and haul a bunch. So I mean, it's the 3619, 19 feet from the cabinet to the wall. We got a fold-up dinette table that's going to make into a nice big bed. When it makes into dinette, we have a nice dinette table area. We got a big couch here. We got great big windows. We got the roller shades. We got aluminum cabinetry with adjustable shelving. Even they went as far as putting a nice metal aluminum lip up here. So if we want to put stuff on top of the shelves, we got a good place to hold things up there and not falling off. Of course, depending on how you drive. It's got the airline tracking system on the side walls as well as built into the floor. So we can move our dinette table and furniture, couch, dinette, anywhere we want within the tracking system and be able to move it, where conventional ones, you don't have that option. They're in one place only. So the ATC offers a lot of features that the other guys aren't going to even think about. So this is going to have the opposing dinette. So we have our storage area clear up to the top bunk here. Got our patio kit. So we're going to have our cable, screen wall, fencing, stored outside as a step to come into the back end. We got our light switches for inside and outside on the back end there. We got the extruded aluminum floors. Even if we want to wash this out with a pressure washer, you're not going to harm anything. There's nothing that's going to deteriorate in this trailer. So very well thought after. You know, we don't have to go and replace our trailer every couple of years because we're worried about wood getting dry rot, you know, or anything like that. It's all aluminum from the ground, from the frame up. This is also the only manufacturer I know in the aluminum industry that's building a toy hauler that actually builds their own frame in-house. So they're building from the ground up, starting from the frame all the way up under one roof. We walk into the kitchen area. Nice big, what I call the Dutch doors with the big doors for the refrigerator. That's a 12 volt and electric. We got the big freezer, ice maker, deep freeze type of freezer there. 3-burner cooktop, big oven, overhead cabinetry throughout the whole trailer with adjustable shelving in the Play and the 700 model. Stereo system. Big flat screen TV, or a big basin sink with the strainer on one side, countertop on the other, so it kind of helps us have as much counter space as possible. Nice backsplash there. The drawers, no vents in the floor, they're all underneath in the cabinets. We go upstairs. Now we get into a composite flooring. Again, nothing that's going to deteriorate, so we don't have to worry about dry rot. Got some wiring accessibility there, fuse panels and breakers there. Nice big bathroom, solid one-piece shower enclosure. This is going to have dimmer switches on the ceiling lights. Nice storage area in the bathroom with the cabinets and drawers. Big area. And if you notice when I close the door, just not afraid. You know, this is an interior trailer. I can slam that door, it's not going to hurt a thing. Nice big pocket door in the living room or in the bedroom area. Queen size bed. Cabinets throughout. This is a non-slide model, so it's the queen bed. Drawers below on the sides, both sides. Individual reading lights. Again, more storage. Love the way those cabinets close. More storage over here. Big closet area, adjustable shelving on this upper. Lower can be used as more closet space, or it is pre-plumbed for washer and dryer if we want to go that route. Got the overhead fantastic fan. This particular model is prepped for a bedroom TV. Roller shades. Come on downstairs. What's really nice in the 2023s is now they're using the Firefly system that is all touch button screen for our interior lighting, checking our tank balances, turning on our air conditioning, our furnace. Basically like an iPad in the trailer. Come on outside. Big Goodyear G-rated tires, aluminum fender wells, outside access if we want to put a TV outside and watch it underneath the big awning that's lit with the LED light. Auto leveling system. This is the white with the blackout trim. Going to have our docking lights above, pre-wired for a backup camera. So this is going to give us a big 8-foot patio out the back end. That's going to have our gate fencing and our bug screen with the step coming up the back end to come inside the back door, which is really nice. Already equipped with the rear skid bogey wheels. Rivetless aluminum skin. So as you can see, it just, you know, the appeal and a very clean look. Fuel tank centered above over the axle. So it is on the driver's side, so when we pull up to the gas station, real easy to fuel up while we're fueling the truck as well. Again, this is under 12,000 pounds. You know, doesn't have to be a big massive truck to haul this because it's lightweight with all the aluminum. Outside hose storages, the big gas and electric hot water heater, under bedroom basement storage with the MORride pull-out tray that can pull out either direction. This is pre-wired and set up for the lithium batteries with the inverter already built in. You know, and the other things that you're going to find, just like on the inside, not worried about slamming a door. It's not going to hurt it. It's a toy hauler or an all-purpose recreational fifth wheel built on steroids. You're not going to hurt it. 7,000 pound generator. Rock guard protection on the front end. Got the Rotoflex hitch. Got our large propane tanks there. Very easy to access. Even when you look at this, the underside is the composite flooring on the upstairs. But when we look at the aluminum framing with the gussets, the welds, they do a super nice job. We got our gas pump station there. We got the quick LP quick disconnect there. Another, again, storage. Remember that Joey tray out the other side? Comes out this side too, isn't that nice? Again, solid door, solid step. This is going to be, you know, handle about 35 pounds of cargo capacity in this one, 200 gallons of fresh water. You know, they make several floor plans. We have several in stock. Feel free to contact me direct. My name is Clay Thompson here at Bish's RV in Junction City, Oregon. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Make sure you ask for me. I'd be happy to share all the information I know about these trailers. They are super nice and you won't be disappointed. Thank you and have a great day.